back to my channel. And today what I thought I'd do for you is I bought some clothes at Target and TJ Maxx for fall, kind of refreshing my fall wardrobe, and I thought that I would let you see what I bought. You might be interested in some of them. I really do like them and I'm excited. So let's get started with this fall clothing haul. Okay, the first top I bought I just really love. It's like a faux wrap, and it just snaps right here, and I really love how it looks, and I love the sleeves. I think they're very flattering, and I'll come up close so you can see the print. It's just a really pretty floral print, and it's very soft and it's not real thick, and I like that because down here in Florida, as you know, it gets very hot. And I just paired them. Now the top came from Target. And I'm pairing them up with some jeans that are just a slightly distressed that I got at TJ Maxx. Now the top I believe was $24.99 and these jeans were $16.99. And I just put them on with a pair of really tall boots, but I really do love how they look. I don't know how well you can see, but I like the pocket detail in the front, and I like this distressed look. So I really am liking that. And I just paired it with a ring that I bought at Rue 21 many years ago, but they have such pretty jewelry there. But I thought this looked kind of cute with it. So let's go on to the next outfit. Okay, the second outfit that I picked up, this shirt is from Target as well, and it is like this really pretty charcoal color, and this is such soft material. It almost feels like a cashmere material, but it isn't. And this is from A New Day, and it has like this faux wrap here, and I really am loving that look this year, and I paired it with the same jeans. Now this shirt, I also got it in this beautiful heather gray, and you can see the faux wrapping detail much better, I think, there. But I love it. It's so pretty and so comfortable, and it would just be perfect for a nice fall day. And I have this paired with these beautiful leopard print shoes that I purchased from Target. And they are universal thread. I don't know if you can see them very well, but I'll show you right here. I love them. They're very cushy inside. They're very comfortable. All right, now when I was at TJ Maxx, I also picked up this really cute jean jacket. I love it. I think it is so pretty. And it was, I believe, $19.99, and it goes very nicely with this outfit. I think it just looks really casual and cute if you wanted to just go out on a nice fall day. I just really love how the jacket looks. And like I said, it came from TJ Maxx, so I think this is a really cute look to have for another wonderful fall outfit. Okay, this next outfit, the top is from Target, and it was $17.99, and I really think it is super cute. I love the just relaxed detail to it. It looks like a button down, but it's just a pullover, and I love the detail on these sleeves. You know, they look like you've buttoned them up there, which they are a button, you can unbutton it, but I just like the kind of slouchy look that it has. I just love that, and I think it's really cute in the back. I love how that looks, and it's a little higher in the front than it is in the back, which I love. And I've paired this up with jeans from Target that were $14.99, and they're the boho boyfriend jeans, and they're really distressed, but I love them. I think they are so cute. But I think this is a really cute, comfortable, casual outfit that you could wear, so I really do like that. Okay, this top is from Target. It was $19.99, and when I saw it, I fell in love with it. I think it is so cute. It's a sort of a crop top, but it doesn't show your belly. I'm not one that really wants to show my belly, but it's sort of a crop top, as you can see. And I love this peace sign that's on the front. It's so pretty. And then down the arms, this says peace and more over here. So it says more peace. I just love it. I think it is so cute and casual. It's kind of like a sweatshirt material, so it's not going to be too hot, but I really do like how it looks. And I've paired it with the jeans that I got from TJ Maxx that were $16.90. Just cuff them at the bottom and put them on with those same little flats from Target. But I really do think this is such a cute outfit. I mean, you could go and be casual, and it's not tight or itchy or miserable. I love to have very comfortable clothes, and this is. Okay, this shirt I picked up at Target, and it was $19.99. It is so comfy and just loose fitting, and I like the little side slit on the shirt. And then the sleeves are just sort of rolled right here. It's kind of hard to see because it's black, and it has like a black and gray, a little bit of a gray in this black. It's really cute. And I just put it on with a necklace that I got in a FabFitFun box. And I always wear my cross, and then I paired it with those jeans once again from TJ Maxx, but I really do like it. It's such a cute, casual little outfit, and it'll be great to film in because it's not hot at all. Okay, I've just paired this jean jacket that I got at TJ Maxx with the outfit that I just had on. But I think it gives you such a cute look. I mean, you can be so stylish, and you really don't have to spend a lot of money. I mean, it's so easy to just, you know, really look good but not spend a lot of money. But I really do like this jacket. Okay, and I also picked up at Target this oversized cardigan. I love it. It's in that same color almost that's in the shirt. It has that dark charcoal with some gray in it, and I really like it. And then the pockets are just this oversized, it's just like a little slouchy cardigan, but I love it. Down here I can use it for a jacket sometimes until we have our really cold snaps. But I really do like this, and I have it still with those same jeans. And this cardigan was $24.99, but it is not real thick. It's just very lightweight, and that I love. Okay, here's another shirt from Target. It is Knox Rose, and it was $24.99. And I love these big, long bell sleeves. I think it is so cute. It's really flattering. And it has a little bit of lace detail that kind of hugs your arm right here. And then these big bell sleeves. And then as you can see, I hope you can see, it has that same lace detailing right in through here. And then a really cute bow. But I really love it, and I paired it with a pair of jeans that I got from Target that just have a high, they're pretty high-waisted, and they button down the front. But I like these. I got these in the denim, and then they have a dark, like a charcoal gray or black, and I picked that up. Okay, this shirt is from Target as well, and it has like a little tie on the side, and it's a very soft, stretchy, almost like nylon almost material. I really do like it, and it's so comfortable. And I've paired it with the Boyfriend Distressed jeans from TJ Maxx. But it's a very casual, simple little shirt that is really comfortable. Okay, this last shirt is from Target as well. It's from A New Day. It was $19.99. It is just the softest little sweater with a V-neck. And it feels like cashmere, but it isn't. It's not scratchy. It's just very comfortable and loose fitting. You could tuck it in the front if you wanted. And I paired it with those distressed boyfriend jeans again. And it is slightly, it kind of scoops. It's like longer in the back slightly than it is in the front, and then it scoops here on the side, but I really do like this one. So like I said, I'll put all the barcodes in the description box below for the items that I've tried on. I'm sort of new at this fashion haul try on videos, so I would love to link them, but I don't know if I'll be able to do that. If I do another fashion try on, I'll do my best to do that. But like I said, it's at Target and TJ Maxx, so it shouldn't be hard to find them, and they were all very affordable. But yeah, I think they're really cute for fall. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.